Welcome! In this video, I'll show you how to access RawSource Hub as a business owner. Let's start by creating an account. Fill in the required information. Now let's go back to the login page and log into our recently created account. Tap Browse Products. Now we see the marketplace of raw materials. Once we're here, we can select a filter to see which type of raw material we want, or filtering the price of products to see which raw products are low cost, or filter by availability. Here we can compare prices. Here's where we can see which product is best for a single purchase or bulk purchase. Also, we can filter by what type of raw materials. The supplier map is where we see which supplier is nearest. By tapping on a raw material and tapping Add to Cart, it will be in your cart on the marketplace. You can also pick how much you want to purchase, or to also activate the bulk purchase discount. The shopping cart is where your recent Add to Cart raw materials will be. You can also proceed to checkout from here. Once we proceed to checkout or buy now, we are presented with the payment checkout. You can easily input your information and address, and the payment method you want. Make sure that if you're paying by GCash, you'll have to upload the receipt of that purchase, and make sure you've read and understood the supplier's refund policy. Check the box if so. Going back to our business owner dashboard, we can see our orders and history of purchases by tapping My Purchase. By tapping the supplier profile, we can see the supplier's information and the information of your own order. After the purchase and delivery are validated and completed, we can now rate and leave a review for said raw products. We can also mark the supplier of the said product as a favorite. Below the cart on our dashboard, we can see messages. Here's where we connect with the supplier. If your eyes are getting tired, and you want a much softer color for your eyes, we introduce dark mode.